So hello everyone. So today we'll be answering some power plant problems. So number 45, the problem is an ocean thermal energy conversion plant draws 40 degree Fahrenheit water from depth of 1,200 foot. The water temperature at the surface is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum achievable thermal efficiency is mostly blank. So the given are our surface temperature, which is 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 Kelvin. Our depth water temperature, which is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 277 Kelvin. So the solution, we have the formula of efficiency is equals to 1 minus surface temperature over depth water temperature. So by substitution, 1 minus 277 over 300, so it will be equals to 0.078 or 7.8%. So the answer is letter A, 7.8%. So problem number 49. The gas density of chimney is 0.75 kilograms per cubic meter and air density is 1.15 kilograms cubic meter. Find the driving pressure of the height of chimney is 63.71. So the given are, we have the height of 63.71 meter, density of air is 1.15 kilogram per cubic meter, and the density of gas is 0.75 kilogram per cubic meter. So we have the formula of formula of delta P is equals to gravity times height times the difference between the density of air and the density of gas. So by substitution, so 9.81 times 63.71 times 115 minus 0.75, we can get the delta P of 0.25 kPa, which is the letter B. And next is problem number 51. A steam engine which bore a stroke of 250 mm by 450 mm rotates at 250 rpm. If the mean effective pressure is 400 kPa, what is the indicated power developed in the cylinder? So here we have the given of diameter of 250 millimeter, which is 0.25 meter, and the length of 150 mm or 0.45 meter, and we have the speed of 250 rpm and the pressure, which is 400 kPa, and the single cylinder, which has a 4-stroke. So here, so here's the solution. First, we need to get the volume of the stroke. So it is V sub S is equals to pi times d squared over 4 times length. So which is pi times 0.25 squared over 4 times 0.45, which is 0.221 cubic meter. So next, we will get the work. So P sub M times V sub S is equals to 400 times 0.0221, which is equals to 8.84 kilojoules. So now we will get the power of the stroke. So N over 2 times 1 over 60. So 250 over 2 times 1 over 60 is equals to 2.083. So now we can get the total power. So 8.84 times 2.083, we can get 18.45 kilowatts, which is letter A, 18.45 kilowatts. So next is the problem number 54. Compute the mass of 2 cubic meter propane at 200 kPa and 40 degrees Celsius. So the given is 2 cubic meter of air and pressure of 280 kPa. So that with the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius or 313 Kelvin and our R, which is 0.287 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. So here's the solution. Mass is equals to PV over RT. So by doing the substitution, so 280 times 2 over 0.287 times 330, we can get 6.47 kilograms, which is letter A. So last number, number 55. Find the pressure at the 100 fathom depth of water kipag. So given is the depth 100 fathoms, which is 183 meters. Water density, which is 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter, and the gravity, which is 9.81. So the solution, the formula will be P is equals to rho GS. So 1,000 times 9.81 times 183, we can get the answer of 1,793.96 kPa, which is letter A. That will be all. Thank you.